If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start taking these trades together. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel here. In this video I wanted to demonstrate how I am able to make over $200 in just 1 minute trading binary options on the Pocket Option platform here. A common misconception about trading is that technical analysis does not work for making consistent trading results. This is not the case, however. As you will see over time when trading, your results strictly depend on your personal levels of discipline, risk tolerance, and ability to remain patient while waiting for the market to present you with suitable entry opportunities. An important distinction of trading binary options versus other financial instruments is the need to be purposeful and accurate in your decision-making abilities. Binary options are matter of fact. You can either be right or wrong. There is no room for a misplaced entry or incorrect timing. Your ability to be correct in your market assessments can determine the difference between trading as a hobby, using guesswork, and the potential to trade binary options for a living or at least make a suitable part-time income. In this particular trade, I waited for a setup opportunity which aligned multiple technical indicators into my favor, creating what is known as an area of confluence. This is when you are getting multiple different signals from multiple different forms of technical analysis converging into one unifying signal at one point on the chart for a laser-focused entry opportunity. The importance of using these different indicators in one approach is that other traders using each of these indicators individually are also placing entries at these points in market activity, creating a more likely entry point for many different types of traders. We can take advantage of these perfect storm entry opportunities as well as capitalize on them when applicable. As seen here in this example, combining these multiple different indications into one entry point proved to be a great short-term profit of over $200. That is an average daily income working a 9 to 5 where I'm located. This is how powerful trading binary options can be. If you want to learn more about the strategy I use when trading binary options and the process of combining different indicators together for finding these opportunities in the market, be sure to check out my educational package in the description below, where I demonstrate exactly which indicators I use and how I combine them when trading. Alternatively, I also offer the shadow trading program where you will get access to anytime I enter a trade on Pocket Option 5 nights a week, Sundays through Thursdays. Learn more information about that by checking out the shadow trading program membership down in the description below as well. How's it going today, everyone? Hope you're all doing fantastic out there today. Just wanted to bring you in here for this trade I just placed on the binary options position here, looking to make just $100 on this trade here. A few key factors I like to look at when entering a trade is how strong the volume is in correlation with the current trend. If the volume is weak in relation to the current trend, you may see a trend reversal in the near future. Alternatively, if the volume is strong in relation to the current trend, you may expect a trend continuation to come. In a scenario like this, I like to combine different forms of technical analysis, one of those being the Bollinger Bands as you see here in this video, with other forms of technical analysis to combine them together and make for areas of confluence where multiple different styles of trading are combined to find specific targeted entries to make for more confident trade entries long term. Be sure to learn more from my educational package down in the description below. An excellent profit here for this trade overall. It's amazing what is possible over such a short period of time when you combine different trading styles to formulate these targeted entries. As always, be sure to keep a disciplined approach when trading short-term binary options such as these. Risk management should be your first consideration before even entering a trade. If you want to learn more about how to find key areas of confluence for trading binary options just like you see here in the video, be sure to check out the resources in the description below, where I have the educational package covering in a multi-video series exactly what I look for when entering on a trade. Alternatively, I do offer the shadow trading program where you can get access to any time I enter and exit a trade on the Pocket Option platform, Sundays through Thursdays. If these interest you, then learn more below. Also be sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with more great videos just like this and other tips for trading binary options to come. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there. Peace. If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start taking these trades together.